Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Anzur Ahmad, lecturer history. Our today's question for 12th class students of history subject is: how did the American Civil War affect the lives of rioters in India? Dear students, let's explain the question. Civil War means a war took place between different states of America within themselves from 1861 to 1865 AD. And this American Civil War had a direct effect on the lives of the people or the lives of the peasants in India. And in this question, we have to discuss how this American Civil War affected the lives of the peasants or the lives of rioters in India. Let's try to understand this. Dear students, American Civil War had following important impacts on the rioters or the peasants in India. Dear students, before the start of the Civil War in America, England used to import raw cotton from America. And when Civil War started in America, the supply of raw cotton from America got declined. As a result, the demand of the raw cotton from India, which was ruled by England at that time, the demand of raw cotton from India for England increased as its supply to Britain had stopped from America due to the Civil War. The increased demand for raw cotton, the increased demand for raw cotton from India for British industries encouraged the peasants and the general riots to produce more and more cotton. As the demand for raw cotton increased with every passing day, the moneylenders became ready to give more and more loans to peasants and rioters for speedy cotton production, for speedy raw cotton production in different areas of India. And the cotton production in India went so high that by 1862, India met more than 90% of the Britain's total cotton demand in its industries. Means 90% of the raw cotton was supplied to the British industries by India. And between 1860 to 64, the land on which Indians used to produce cotton was doubled just within the period of 4 years. However, the situation took a new turn. How? The American Civil War ended in 1865 and cotton supply from America to Britain and British industries resumed. As a result, there was heavy loss to the cotton producers in India because the peasants in India had produced huge quantities of raw cotton for British industries till 1865. But when the cotton supply from America got resumed after the end of Civil War in America to the British industries, the demand for Indian cotton went low, got decreased. As a result, the cotton producers in India, or we can say in other words, there was no demand for the raw cotton from India, and the peasants and the people in India, riots in India, had no option than to sell the raw cotton to the Britishers at a very low, at a minimal or negligible costs to the Britishers. As a result, the Indian riots, Indian peasants who had cultivated cotton in huge quantities received a serious setback, a big blow due to the resumption of the supply of raw material to the British industries from America after the end of Civil War in America in 1865. So we can say, though the American Civil War had initially benefited the Indian riots, Indian peasants, as they produced a huge quantity of raw cotton to meet the industries, to meet the demands of the British industries to produce cotton. But when the Civil War ended in 1865 in America, the huge quantity of raw cotton which had already been produced by the Indians had no value as the supply got resumed from America. So in nutshell, we can say the American Civil War in the long run had a very big bad impact on the rights in India. Though in the short run, for 1 or 2 years, American Civil War gave a good benefit to the Indian raw cotton producers, but in the long run, the huge quantity of cotton which Indians had produced got had no value, had no demanders, had no takers, as the supply of raw cotton got resumed from America just after the end of Civil War in America to the British industries. Thank you.